check my registration. Yeah, I'm drunk, but I ain't driving, yes, and I know my destination. I got a stick in here and a drum in the back, but please don't estimate it. Man, this shit getting so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. That damn money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Shawty popping shrooms in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. I will kick you out of my house right now, I call it a detonate. This fast, ain't crashing up the show. If you ain't got a dollar, I'm out, you know I gotta go. My tolerance kinda running high, but I pop me some more. You can come my home in late, or you can meet me at the show. I'm the type to go and bring on, take on vacation. I've been certified my whole life, come check my registration. Yeah, I'm drunk, but I ain't driving, yes, and I know my destination. I got a stick in here and a drum in the back, but please don't estimate it. Man, this shit getting so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. That damn money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Shawty popping shrooms in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. I would kick you out of my house right now, I call it a detonate. Dirty lemonade, you are in the way. Honey, me plain, throw that in the grave. They want me in the cage, fill that bitch with haze.